Shark Crypto, airdrops, tapbots, trading.
Black Shark team welcomes you back to the channel. Today we will review the company Neura Technologies, which provides an advanced platform designed for optimization of advertising budget. Their flagship product, NeuraBot, is a fully automated cashback platform powered by artificial intelligence. With the help of NeuraBot, customers can effortlessly receive cashback for purchases in a wide variety of stores, making their shopping more economical and profitable. The site has a convenient account. Let's log in now and take a look together. The yield is up to 35% per month, which allows you to receive a good daily passive income. The duration of your investment depends on a random selection and can be from 20 to 140 days. The minimum deposit amount is available from $50. Reinvestment of profits can be made from $10. You can earn passively or build an affiliate structure like me and receive not only passive income from your investments but also an affiliate commission. You can see your overall statistics on attracted partners as well as your rank. Having reached the leading consultant level, my bonus additionally amounted to $225. There is a marketing page in the office where you can get acquainted with the company's documents, where the offices are located, as well as the development plan and future plans. I invite you to join my team to earn passive income together. Visit the cashback page, click on Get a Bonus, and activate my promo code to get $50 to your balance. Click on the certificate and copy your code to share your code with others and attract partners. Activate my promo code and top up your balance with at least $50 and receive passive income every day. My investment in the project is $500. The total investments of my partners reach $18,261, which demonstrates great confidence in the project. Subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channel. The link is in the description of the video. Black Shark is all about drops, tapbots, passive income, trading, investments.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tapbots, trading.